At 2 a.m., as Leo scrolled through his phone in bed, a notification popped up. "Look behind you." Dismissing it as a prank, he continued scrolling, but moments later, the same message appeared again, only this time his screen flickered, and the background showed his bedroom, with the outline of a shadowy figure standing by the door. Heart pounding, Leo turned around, finding nothing but darkness. His phone buzzed again. "You can't escape." Suddenly, the lights went out. He could feel a chilling presence creeping closer, the air turning icy. The last thing he heard was a faint whisper in his ear. "Got you." Subscribe for more spine-chilling stories.